Hello everyone, welcome to the Beginner to Advanced JavaScript series. In this video, I am going to talk about the different method of running your JavaScript code in different environment. Okay, first method is that I'm using the browser console. If you want to run your JavaScript code and practice your JavaScript on the browser, you can simply right click on the browser, no matter which browser are you using, whether it is Firefox, Safari or Microsoft Edge. It doesn't matter. In this series, I'm using the Chrome. You can right click on the Chrome and click on the inspect and go to the browser console tab. Click here. In this environment, you can run your JavaScript code. And also you can easily come to the browser console by shortcut from your keyboard. Press F12 and directly open the browser console. Okay, now I'm going to print some text in the console. Console.log hello tech focus. Press enter. Now you can see the result here, hello tech focus, or you can do some mathematics also here in the browser console. You can see the result is here 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. And the second method that I'm going to use to run the JavaScript code is using Node.js. If you don't have Node.js, so please first go to the Google and write Node.js. And the first search result you can find, and go to the nodejs.org, click the download button, and you will find the latest version and according to your system that you use and the operating system that you are using. You can select the latest version from here and select the operating system that you are using, Windows, Mac, Linux, AIX, or the bit that you are using on your operating system. Then simply click on the download and it will download. Because I already installed the Node.js, I'm not going to download it again and install on my system, but the installation is very easy. Just click on the execution file and click next. You will install the Node.js, and then you can simply search Node.js on your system and you will face with this environment. It's the Node.js environment. As we write already printed some text on the browser console, also I'm writing those console here, console.log hello tech focus, and you can see the result here. And also you can do some mathematic operation like 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So it is the second method that we can run our JavaScript code in the Node.js environment. In the third method, using HTML file with the script tag to run your JavaScript code. In this case, we need an IDEs. Maybe you use different IDEs, and there are different types of IDEs out there. Maybe you use Sublime Text, Atom, Notepad++, or some other IDEs. But in this series, I am going to use VS Code. If you don't have VS Code on your system, you can go to the right VS Code. The first search result will show the VS Code. Simply click on the download link and you can find the VS Code for your system. Maybe use Windows, Ubuntu, Red Hat or Mac OS. I'm using Windows and I simply click and on the Windows version, and now it will be downloaded in a few seconds. I already downloaded the VS Code and installed on my system. I am not going to do that again, but if you want to install, the installation is very easy. Just right click on the execution file and run as administrator and click next, and you will have it. To run your JavaScript code using HTML file, we need to create a folder. And I'm going to name it test. You can directly drag and drop this folder in the VS Code. but I'm going to go to the address of this folder and write cmd, and now I am in the folder test and can write the code space dot. It will open the VS Code for me. Now I have opened the VS Code. To run the JavaScript code on the HTML file, let's create first an script file, script.js, and write your JavaScript code inside the script.js. Let's write the console.log and print hello world here. And also you can do that simple mathematician as we already did on the browser console, and let's write on the VS Code. So you can write here like this. To run your JavaScript code, we need an HTML file. Let's have index.html, and the VS Code has a very easy shortcut that you can generate HTML boilerplate code for you. Write on the VS Code on the HTML file exclamation mark and press the tab from your keyboard, and you will have this nice boilerplate of HTML. You can link your script tag inside the head, but it is not a good practice. Maybe you use in the script tag some DOM element, or maybe your JavaScript code needs some time to run, but it is not a good practice. Always write your script tag inside the body at the bottom of your HTML code, and it is a good practice. Let's link that using the src attribute and the script tag.js as a value. Now we will have the script tag, and we can open the HTML file and see the result on the browser console. Let's go to the test folder and open the HTML file and go to the browser console. Okay, maybe we have some error. Why? Okay, let's see that. Script.js src. Now you can see the result here, hello world, and the 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. But also you can open your HTML file directly from the VS Code. You can right click on the HTML file and open with the live server. Then you can click and it will open your HTML file. And again, let's see the result here. You can see the result. But if you want to directly your HTML file from the VS Code, you need an extension. To install an extension, click on the setting and click on the extension. You can search extension. I used live preview to open my HTML file. I already have installed it, I think. Yeah, I already have the live preview. But if you want to open your HTML file, you need this extension to install on your VS Code. Easily press on the install button and it will install on your VS Code. And also you can run your JavaScript code on online IDEs. There are different types of online IDEs. You can use them like JSFiddle, CodePen, Replit, and much more. I'm not going to make this video longer than it, but you can explore by yourself. If you want more details about those IDEs, please let me know in the comment below. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.